Alright, I'm gonna work on small projects on 3D modeling. It's been a while since I do 3D modeling. And today I'm gonna do like design a funnel. I needed to kind of use it at home. I could go to Walmart and get a new one, but I have that 3D printer in my place, so I kind of think it was a good idea to kind of use it. And let's go ahead and then jump right into it. First of all, we need to create a file, and as always we need a body to start drawing stuff, and we need the sketch. So I'm gonna use the SYZ. I don't know why my mouse is kind of slow in here somehow. Alright, I'm getting some warning here. I don't know what they are, but you know what, let's don't mind that. Okay, I'm gonna draw. I make some prior measurements in here. First we need to draw something out right here, and yeah, just draw a sketch first, and then we do some take the measurement later. Alright, make something like this and like that, and then join it up right there. Okay, that's looking good. Oh shit, what the heck. Okay, this distance, I'm gonna add some constraints. Horizontal, this one should be 13. Okay, and this one should be 35. Okay, my mouse is really slow. I don't know why, it's kind of crazy. This one is 35. That's good. And this one, let me go horizontal. This one, it's 40. And that's all. No, there's one more. This one should be 35 plus 30. Okay, let's do it. That's a vertical one. Vertical. I could use the hotkey with the I don't know. That's a 35 plus. You can still do math in this thing. It kind of work pretty well. 35 plus 30. That's how much is that? That's 65. But you know what? I'm kind of lazy at doing this, so never mind. All right. So you can see the whole thing went to green. That's mean it's a fully constrained. Let me get this one out. Alright, now we can kind of go ahead and then close this out. Next step, we're going to use the revolution. What do they call it? Revolution, and then have like a circle because we want to design a funnel, right? So that's how we do it. And there we have it. Let me try to center this one. Okay, let's just close this. That's okay, that's how we want it. Close it up, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. Next step, we need to kind of make a hole inside this thing. So I'm gonna select this one and hold my control here. Yeah, control or command, I don't know. On Mac should be should be command. On Windows should be control. And next step, I need to have like a thickness because I need a hole inside this thing. That's why we can pour this stuff inside. And there we go. So for the thickness of this wall, I'm gonna make it 1.5. Right now it's 1. I'm kind of afraid that it's a little bit like thin, so we're gonna go 1.5 to make it a little bit solid and what's the word, like more resistant, so it won't crush easily when I accidentally drop some heavy object on top of it. Okay, let's go ahead and say okay. I think that's all we need, and there we go. Now I need to select this face and I kind of pat it up a little bit, like raise it just a little bit. Let's say 1 or 2. Let's say 2. Okay, the part is not showing here. Okay, this is 5. Let's go 10. 10 is a little bit bigger. Let's go just 2. I just want 2. Okay, let's say okay, and that's how we want it. Alright, my computer is kind of lagging a little bit in here. I don't know why. Maybe because it's getting old. I bought in 2020. Yeah, it's kind of like a 5 years, like going on 5 years old now. It's my book Pro. I don't know why it's lagging. Alright, the object is looking good. Now we need like a little handle. So how we gonna do that? No idea. But there's always a way around. So I'm gonna select this face and try a sketch on that one too. Like a little handle, you know those funnel they have a handle in there where we can grab it, right? Okay, let me zoom in up here. Let's drop it. Let's move it a little bit down, and I'm gonna draw a little rectangle. Maybe I can just select the rectangle from here and just put it on top of that. Okay. Okay. That's looking pretty. It's not bad. You know, I just want a rectangle, right? I'm gonna add some constraint later. Okay, it's looking good. Now we're gonna move it. How are we gonna move this one? Okay, you know what? There was a constraint on this one. I can move it from here. You know what's smart? Never mind. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna add a distance. Let's say, let me grab my measurement here and see how much. I think 20 millimeters would be fine. Oh, that's 20 centimeter. Okay. 20. Yeah, let's go 20. That should be like a horizontal constraints. Let's see. That's I believe. Nope. Sorry. Okay, let's click on the eye length. Oh, okay, that's not the right one. Anyway, I'm trying to use the hotkey in here, but it's not working. Oh, it's L. Okay, let's click on that. Let's say L. Let's say L. Let's say okay. 20, right? 20. Sorry, that was 10. Okay, 20. Alright, it's a little bit bigger than I thought. Alright, let's see what I can do about it. Okay, I kind of want to move this guy out of this place, but I kind of like, there's a constraint on that one. Let me try to remove some of them. I don't know. Constraint A, constraint B. You know what? Let's make it easier and then just delete the whole thing. And then we draw my own stuff. Okay, I'm gonna delete everything. Like I said, the computer is kind of lagging here, so bear with me. Alright, I'm gonna draw it again. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm gonna click on the L, the hotkey for horizontal constraints, and that was 20, right? 20. And how long is gonna be? Like that was the width. Now we're gonna go with the height. Let's stay with 30. That should be E for vertical constraint. And click on this one and let's go 30. Alright. It's looking pretty good. Alright. Now what I need is kind of move this guy a little bit up there, and make sure those two little dots kind of stick to the surface in here, because that's the only way we can get a pretty nice handle. Okay, now I just need to close it up. Where is it? Oh, my computer is still lagging like crazy. Oh god. Alright, there we have it. Now we're going to pad it out for... Okay. We're going to pad this guys out. Okay, it's padding like a 2. Let's do 1. Okay. Just 1. That's okay. Alright, one's looking good, but maybe we should add a little bit to it, like 1.2. Okay, my computer is kind of lagging like crazy. Oh god, kind of losing control in here. I don't know if it's a mouse or I don't know. It's kind of weird. Alright, let's go 1.5 millimeter. Well, those zeros, it's fine anyway. Let's click OK. And, okay. Oh, my computer is kind of lagging. I need to restore this thing, but I have to finish this work first. Alright, it's looking good, but it's kind of off a little bit there. Let me try if I can kind of pat the surface a little bit more. We're gonna try to pat it out. Let's just okay. My computer's lagging like crazy. Okay, I added 1.5, so we're going to add exactly 1.5 so they can align pretty perfectly. There we go. See that? It's looking pretty good. Done good. Look at that. That's perfect. Alright, this is amazing. Alright, nice. Next step, let me try to make a hole on this surface. I think adding more designs is pretty good, you know. Maybe we try like a triangle or something. Alright, I'm gonna make a hole. Let's draw a circle, maybe diagonal. This is more better. Look at that, this looks really nice. So let's add this one and then this size it won't matter at all. Let's just draw something. Okay, you know what, let's go for the circle. It's way better. Go for the circle. It's way better that way, so let's just do it this way. Alright, there we go. This is pretty good. It's pretty good, pretty good. Let's kick it out and close it out and just make a hole. So how do we do that? We just poke it up. So there we go, and then I'm gonna make a poke out. There we go, perfect. Now we got a nice funnel. I think that's all we need to do. Next step, I'm just going to print it out. Alright, that's all I have. I think the objects look pretty good. Let's click, what's this one? Let's click OK, I don't care. Oh, the poke, okay, that's the depth, okay. The whole kind of get through, so we don't need it anymore. There we go. Now we have a nice funnel. Next step, I'm going to do the slicing in the Bamboo Lab Studio, and we can print it from there. Alright, see you guys in the next step. Alright, this is the step 2, which is the slicing phase. As you can see, I'm in the Bamboo Lab Studio, and this is I'm going to use the A1, the Bamboo Lab A1 printer to print the funnel. So first we add the objects. If you don't know how to do that, just click on the add button here, and then you go through the file explorer, kind of open in Windows should be a finder, and then you kind of navigate to the file, and then you add it here. And here you can see the file, the objects kind of the way it's laid on the plate is not good. So what we can do, we just use the auto oriented. So to orient the auto, we can do it manually, but let's go for the auto first and then see what do we have. Okay, I think with this disposition we can do the printing perfectly, and without any support and anything like that. We don't need any advanced setting at all. It's kind of simple object. So next time we just need to click on the slice to slice it out. There we go. It's gonna take a while, a couple seconds. Kind of generate the G code. It's kind of like how the printer gonna print it out. I don't know much about G code, but just click on slice the plate, and then gonna slice it. And here you can see it's gonna take about 1 hour, like that means 60 seconds. Oh, 60 minutes, sorry. Okay, I can still make it like a multicolor. I just need just kind of drop this one down and then add a pause if I wanted to, but to be honest, I don't need any of that. So we're gonna go ahead and then click on the print plates, and I have the AMS on the A1, which means I can print it multicolor, but we're going to use the filament at the position A1. We have a 4 position like A1, A2, blah blah blah. I'm going to go with the white one. Maybe we can go with the blue. I think the blues look pretty nice, and that should be at A2. I'm just looking at my printer in here to find the right position. So this gonna print it as a blue because I have the filament to be blue. I'm using the PLA. It's kind of safe way to print indoor. ABS kind of a little bit, kind of get a little fuse and all of that. I don't wanna get it canceled, so I'm gonna use the PLA, which is good for indoor printing. And yeah, that's all you need to do, and you just send it. It's gonna take a while to load the printer and all of that stuff. Alright, it's gonna take a while, and there we go. Gonna start hitting the bed and start doing printing. And that's all I have. In the coming day, I'm gonna do some others design and do some printing. So if you wanna see those stuff, just subscribe, and maybe we'll do more sophisticated design. Alright, that's all for today.